SPY this morning. We're up 0.79% from yesterday's close. Yesterday was a pretty rough day. Opened up and it rallied at the open, and then it just dropped and dropped and dropped all the way back to February's lows. Our watch list this morning, we really have anything to the downside. Just this RCII and PM. The rest are all to the upside, but if the market starts to drop, all these to the upside become to the downside. So we'll see. We'll see what the market does today. I'm going to take a short on SQ right here at the ask. It gives it to us. All right. We're in. We're in at 59.64. All right. It's actually coming down our way. Let's take a look at it up close. Daily looks great for a short. This thing has been getting slammed. It has rallies, but then it gets just slammed right back down. It's at a critical area down here. Intraday gaps up, and it starts to get bought up. And I think as soon as the buying is done here, it'll come back down, mostly because of the daily here. This daily is pretty rough looking. And the market itself is pretty flat right now, so we'll wait and see what the market does. Stop loss on this one around 60.50, over 60.50, and our target, I like it around 59 area. SQ, we got in it, and it just kept squeezing, but the market is looking a little tired here, so we'll see. If not, we'll come out of it soon. All right, SQ is coming back to us now. Give us a little scare there, but we'll see what the market does here. I'm going to take a short here on Oracle at the ask if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 47.52. Daily has been choppy, you know, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, and went up. So now I'm thinking it's going to go down. Intraday it gaps up, and we already had a flush from the top. Hit the 9, had a little bounce here, but this is a good sized gap here, so I'm thinking it's going to close the gap probably today. But I'll take it down below 47. Stop loss will be over the highs. I'll take a short here on TLRY if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 73.20. Daily looks good for a short. This thing's been downtrending for a while. It's a good size mover, so its stop loss will be good size. Intraday it gaps up, has a little flush, and then it just starts going back up again. So I'm thinking we had quite a few green candles here. So I'm thinking it might pop the top here for a little bit, but it's so extended here that it's got to turn around, come down for a breather. So it'll probably go down to 72. My target is below 72. Market is waking up here though. That's not good. ORCL, it's coming down to us here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Looks like it's gonna crack the bottom here. Once it does that, it should see it below 47, then we'll take it. ORCL, I'm thinking about taking it here because of the market. I'm gonna take it right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for almost 40 cents on that one. But I just see the market here moving up. It's up for the day, so it might turn around here if the market don't stop. Let's take a look at SQ. SQ is coming our way. We'll let that one breathe a little bit. I like that one down at least below 59.25, just because we were losing on it. So now you got to rethink it a little bit. You know, sometimes you, if it goes right my way, then I'll give it a bigger target. But if it goes against me for a little bit, I switch my target around a little bit, especially if the market's going up and I'm going down. TLRY, this thing is still climbing, has not stopped. I'm down quite a bit on it. But as soon as it stops, it should be dramatic, and I think it'll come back down hard. You know, look at that, all green. think that's going to continue? I don't. But now we'll take it probably around 72.50. Yeah, I'll give it to 72.50. That's telling me the stock is strong today. So as soon as it dips, people will buy it again. So we'll get out on the dip. SQ is coming down to us here. This one's a good size mover. I like to see it down by 59, at least below 59.25. Then maybe we'll take it. See what kind of momentum we get here. The market is starting to get a little weak from this previous candle. SQ, like to see it below here, below 59.25, and then we'll take it. You know what? I'm going to try to take this right here. I don't like the action here. It gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for just about 22, 23 cents. Just because the market's still going up, so I'm thinking it's up for the morning. It had its little dip here, so it's gonna go up, especially if the market goes up. TLRY, let's take a look at this thing. I'm gonna try to take this right here at the 72.85. Gives it to us here. All right, we're out. We're out for about, and just as I get out of it, it drops. That stinks. That's all right though. We got now we got about 35 cents on it. TLRY, see that? Got out of it, and as soon as I got out of it, the sucker drops quite a bit too. J&J, I'm gonna take this for a short right here at the ask if it gives it to us. All right, we're in J&J at 131.24. Daily looks really nice for a short. This thing got slammed really hard a couple days ago. Yesterday it fell too. Today we had a nice up morning, but then it just collapsed at the open. It just collapsed back down to 130. We had a nice rally here till over the 9 here while the market was going up. Now the market's turning around. I think this thing's going to turn around, come back down. I'd like it below 130.50, and stop loss will be around over 132 area. But I really like this one. Market's just starting to drop right now. So we got a lot of people scared of this stock right now. So I think every rally is a sellable rally for a little bit anyway, until the market stabilizes. J&J, got a nice topping tail here. Let's see it come down. Here it comes. Like to see it around 130.50. Below it, then we'll take it. Market was going down, so I gotta keep an eye on the market, because if the market goes up, this thing will go up. It's so extended to the downside, but fear. There's a lot of fear in it right now too. Let's try to take this right here at the 71 if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for a little over 50 cents. It's just it's up for today, so market is just started to stall right here. So I figured I'll take that 50 cents. I'm gonna try J&J one more time here. Market's still going down, so I think it'll drop some more at the ask here. All right, we're in. Second trade on it. Yeah, I just think the market's going to continue to drop below the lows here. It's going to start to accelerate, and it's going to push this one below the lows here. I can probably get this down to below 130. Yeah, we'll take it below 130, and stop loss will be over 131.50 area, maybe 131.60. J&J looks good here. Looks like it wants to break the bottom here. J&J, thinking about taking it just in case it doesn't crack here. All right, we'll take this right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. Nice, right on that big breakdown there. We got out for about 75 cents. I'll take that. just in case it has a lot of buying pressure at the 130. It might crack 130 and just continue to drop too, you know. But the market looks like it's waking up here. So I'll take that. Close to 80 cents. But that's going to be it for me today. This market is weird. It went up, it went down. Now it's just hanging out there. So I'm not sure where it's going to go. So we're up 322. Let's take a look at the trades. All winners, mostly all small winners, but biggest winner on J and J. Thanks for watching.